How to make a booking from Softinn Hotel Booking Engine. Hello Softinn Booking Engine users. Let's check out this video to find out how to make a booking from Softinn Hotel Booking Engine. Scenario: imagine that you want to make a booking for the check-in date January 24, 2024 for 2-night stay in Softinn Hotel, instant. Firstly, select the check-in and check-out date. Then choose the number of guests and click on the check price. In this page, you may view the room types that is available to be booked on the date that you have selected. The people icon shows the maximum number of guests allowed for each room type. The larger people icon represents the maximum number of adults while the smaller one represents the maximum number of children allowed. After that, choose the room type you wish to book. In this example, I choose king bed room. Click on View Rates to view the type of rates plan available for the room type. In addition, you can click on the cancellation policy to read the cancellation policy for each rates plan. Note that not all rates plans have the same cancellation policy. Make sure you read and understand the policy before you proceed with the booking. You may add more rooms by clicking the plus sign beside the bed icon, subject to the availability of the room. Once you have decided which rates plan to choose, select Book Room and the room will appear in the booking summary on the right side of the page. You will see the important notes by the hotel, if any. You could see the additional charges will be shown clearly after the subtotal. Note, the amount for to be collected upon check-in means that you will only pay for the additional charges at the hotel upon check-in. Click Apply Promo Code if you have any promo code to apply. The promotion by the hotel will be auto-applied, if any. Note, the total pack should not exceed the max packs. The host or front desk officer reserves the right to deny your check-in upon your arrival if the number of guests exceeds the maximum allowed. Then, fill in your details correctly. Leave any remarks or request, if any. Tick this box after you have read and understand the privacy policy and cancellation policy. Then, click Continue. You are given 15 minutes to complete the booking by making payment. Choose the payment method preferred. After you have made a payment, you will receive a paid email notification with the booking ticket attached to it. Let's start to make a booking and have a pleasant stay.
Thanks for watching. I'm Abdul Ashraf, a junior developer from the product department. I help the team with maintaining and developing new features of Softinn. If you find the video useful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you again. Bye.